everyone, and welcome to Module 7. This week, we're shifting into one of the most important scholarly skills you will ever develop, the ability to write a high-quality review paper. Whether you continue in research, leadership, program evaluation, or advanced graduate work, knowing how to synthesize evidence is one of the most valuable tools you can have. A review paper isn't just a summary of articles. It's a carefully curated, thoughtfully organized narrative that helps readers understand what the research collectively means. And in today's world, where more studies are being published than ever, the ability to make sense of that growing body of evidence is essential. In this module, you will explore key approaches used in scholarly reviewing, such as narrative literature reviews, flexible, thematic, and interpretive, systematic reviews that are structured, transparent, and comprehensive, and meta-analyses, which are statistical techniques that combine quantitative results across studies. Each of these serve a different purpose, uses different methodologies, and brings its own strengths and limitations to the research conversation. By the end of this module, you'll be able to distinguish among them and understand when each approach is most appropriate. One of your biggest goals this week is helping you move beyond article-by-article summaries. A strong review identifies patterns, themes, relationships, agreements, contradictions, and gaps across studies. You'll practice this higher-level integration by outlining a narrative review around a focused theme, writing paragraphs that weave together multiple sources, and organizing evidence so that your argument flows logically and persuasively. This is the difference between here are 5 studies about exercise adherence and here's what the research collectively reveals about why people stick with exercise programs and what still needs to be explored. You'll also take part in a structured peer editing process where you will read, review, and critique your classmates' work. This is intentional. Good review writing and good scholarly writing in general requires multiple eyes, other perspectives, and interpretations. Learning to give and receive scholarly feedback helps you refine your clarity, coherence, organization, and the strength of your argument. It also mirrors the real academic world where peer review shapes almost everything we write and publish. To help you stay organized, you'll get a hands-on exposure to tools like Zotero and ConnectedPapers.com. These can help you manage your sources, visualize connections in the literature, track citation networks, and organize your review a bit more efficiently. Think of them as your backstage crew, keeping the evidence nice and tidy while you focus on the narrative. By the end of Module 7, I hope that you will be able to identify the differences between narrative reviews, systematic reviews, and meta-analyses. Practice outlining a narrative review based on a selected theme, write integrated, synthesis-driven paragraphs, use organizational tools to streamline your writing and literature management, and keep in mind that this module is all about helping you see the bigger picture, not just what individual studies say, but what they mean together. If you can master synthesis, clarity, and structure now, you'll be able to produce review papers that are insightful, compelling, and genuinely useful for your field. I'm really excited to see your ideas develop and your reviews take shape this week.